Hi everyone, welcome to Smart Semester's Python programming playlist. In the previous video, we have discussed two important types of functions available in Python. One among them is user-defined functions and the second thing is built-in functions. In the upcoming videos, we will discuss about lambda and recursive functions when time arrives. In this video, we are going to discuss about types of arguments available in Python. Usually, students get confused between two words. What are parameters and what are arguments? The difference between them is simple. The values, the things which we send as inputs or which we pass as inputs to a function are known as arguments. So here 10 and 20 are arguments, and something which we use to catch those inputs, here a and b, are known as parameters. So the data which we send as an input to a function are known as arguments. These arguments will be caught by some variables. Those variables are known as parameters. 10 is stored in variable a, 20 is stored in variable b. Here 10 and 20 are arguments and a comma b are parameters. This is the basic difference between parameters and arguments. Now, there are different types of arguments available in Python. They are broadly classified into five types: positional arguments, default arguments, keyword arguments, variable length arguments, variable length keyword arguments. In this video, we will discuss about first two types of arguments, and in the next video, we will discuss about next three types of arguments. First one, positional arguments. Positional arguments are arguments that are passed to a function in the same order as the parameters are defined in the function. Python assigns values to parameters based on their position. Suppose we have a function called student. Def student. It has two parameters, name and age. So we have to pass two parameters. We have to pass two arguments because we have two parameters in the definition of the function. Let's say here we have body of this function. Now, when you call that function student, you have to pass two values. First one is name. Let's say name is Sai, and age, let's say 21. Now, Sai will get stored in variable name, 21 will get stored in variable age. The way they are defined, Python assigns value to parameters based on their position. This is in the first position. So name is also in the first position. Sai will be stored in variable name. 21 is second value and age is the second value. This 21 will get stored in variable age. Let's suppose I call the function like this, 21 and Sai. Now what will happen? 21 will get stored in variable name. Sai will get stored in variable age. Based on the position, Python assigns value to those values. These are known as positional arguments. Second type is default arguments. Default arguments are parameters that have a default value assigned during function definition. If the user does not provide a value for the parameter while calling the function, Python will use the default value automatically. Means, let's say we have a function student itself. Def student, it has two parameters. First one is name and second one is age. Age, by default we assign a value called 21, and here the body. Now we can call that function student name is Sai, age is 18, let's say. When we call like this, Sai will get stored in variable name, 18 will get stored in variable age. Let's say I call the function like this, student, just I will pass one parameter now. What will happen? Sai will get stored in variable name, but since there is no second argument being passed to that function, age parameter will take the default value, that is 21. If user does not provide a value for that parameter while calling the function, Python will use the default value automatically. One important thing to be remembered while using these default arguments is default arguments should always come after normal parameters in a function definition. Meaning, you should not write the definition of the function like this: def student age equals to 21 name. No, the positional parameters should come before the default parameters. If you want to use any default parameter, it should be at last, after all the positional parameters got completed. They should be placed at the end. If you define a function like this, it will throw an error. After that, you just replace the position of these two parameters, the function will get executed properly. These are the two types of arguments, positional arguments and default arguments. In the next video, we will discuss about the next three arguments available in Python. Thank you.